Okay, the cost of a field trip is $220 plus $7 per student. So the total cost for all those students, if n represents, let n be number of students, then 7n will represent the total cost of n students. If the school can at most spend 500, which means less than or equal to 500, how many students can go? Okay, so this means 7n. Move that to the other side by subtracting both sides by 220. So that's 230, right? 280. So n is going to be less than or equal to 40. So that means maximum of 40 students can go to this trip.